Welcome to this UW-Tacoma tutorial about the Udall Scholarship. My name is Cindy Scharschmidt, and I'm the Director of Student Fellowships and Study Abroad here at UW-Tacoma. Here's what we'll cover today. We'll talk about what the Udall Scholarship actually is. We'll spend some time discussing who can apply. We'll talk about who Moen and Stuart Udall are, for whom the scholarship is named. We'll talk about how you apply and what your next steps should be. The Udall Scholarship is an award for college sophomores or juniors who are committed to careers that are related to the environment or tribal policy or native healthcare. The Udall Foundation is looking for future leaders across a wide spectrum of fields, including policy, engineering, science, education, urban planning, business, health, justice, and economics. So really, any field of study. Udall scholarships typically also have a track record of leadership. They often have been leaders in a campus organization, in the community, or in an academic setting. This doesn't mean that you need to have been the president of a student organization. You can often lead without having a fancy title. The Udall Foundation wants to know about the impact that you made, not about your title. Udall scholars also advocate for environmental or tribal issues either on campus, in the community, or even abroad. They also share a desire for problem solving and consensus building. Moen and Stuart Udall, for whom this scholarship is named, were well known for their bipartisan approach to politics. We'll circle back to them in a little bit. And finally, as a Udall scholar, you need to have a vision for how you're going to affect positive change in your area of interest. The Udall Foundation is looking for students who can motivate others, bring people together around a common issue, and find solutions to environmental or tribal issues. The award provides $7,000 for undergraduate tuition and expenses and includes a mandatory Udall Scholars Orientation that typically takes place in Tucson, Arizona every August. And while it's mandatory, it's arguably the most important piece of the Udall Scholarship because you get to meet all of the other Udall scholars from across the country, along with Udall alumni and leaders in the field of environmentalism, tribal policy, and native healthcare. The Udall Scholarship Foundation awards approximately 50 scholarships each year. UW-Tacoma has had one Udall scholar so far. Faith Ramos was a student in our Sustainable Urban Development program. Faith worked for 15 years in the arts and other nonprofits before she became a student at UW-Tacoma. She also has a strong background in filmmaking and produced a documentary, Heart and Sold, which talks about gentrification in Seattle's South Lake Union neighborhood. Faith was an urban forestry intern for the city of Seattle and conducted undergraduate research on the links between urban forests and human health. She's now a senior business analyst for the city of Seattle. So, the scholarship is named after Moen Stuart Udall. Mo was a member of Congress from 1961 to 1991 and an important advocate for tribal rights and the environment. During his tenure, the Alaska Lands Act of 1980 was passed. The act doubled the size of the National Park System and tripled the size of the National Wilderness System. He also spearheaded important legislation that benefited tribes. His brother Stuart Udall was Secretary of the Interior and also served in Congress. So let's talk about eligibility for a moment. There are a few requirements. You must be a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. You must also be a full-time student in any discipline at the junior or sophomore level. And you must, of course, have demonstrated that you care deeply about environmental or tribal issues. If you would like to apply for the Udall Scholarship, you need to be nominated by UW-Tacoma. We facilitate that process for students. I recommend that you email tscholar@uw.edu to find out when the next campus deadline for the Udall Scholarship is. Just so that you know, as a university, we get to nominate no more than 6 students. I also need to register you in the Udall application system before you can start working on your application. Here's what we'll need from you by the campus deadline. We ask for a reduced version of the national application, or pages 1 through 5 of the Udall application. Everything up to essay question 5, which is the leadership essay, and 1 letter of reference. You can look up a sample application on the Udall scholarship website under How to Apply. I'm also including in here the URL for the Udall scholarship, which is udall.gov. On the website, you will find more information about the application requirements, the selection criteria, and scholar bios. This is also where you can learn more about the Udall legacy. Here are some important next steps. Make sure you review the Udall website at udall.gov, especially the advice and guidance section. But please take time to review all parts of the Udall website in preparation for your application. Go ahead and schedule an appointment with me to discuss your Udall plans in more detail. You can schedule an appointment on my website, which is tacoma.uw.edu/scholar. Spend some time researching Udall's legacy. Think about who can provide a letter of reference and start working on your application. This concludes today's Udall tutorial. Here is contact information for the Student Fellowships Unit within the Office of Global Affairs. You can find us in GWP 102, email us at tscholar@uw.edu, and our website is tacoma.uw.edu/scholar. We're also on Facebook and Twitter.